What makes the Down Rail team so great, it's the collaboration and participation that their team has on a daily basis. Working in the rail industry, sometimes it's quite challenging. However, when you are within a team that everybody is putting enthusiasm and working together, that makes the environment really enjoyable. I enjoy most working for Downer as the team environment. This is a multicultural company and I always feel that I am at home. I never feel away from where I came from. So it helps me to build my confidence. Everybody is there to help you out and no one is there to judge you, and that brings you a lot of confidence. What excites me about the future rail in New Zealand is to know that I help to contribute towards the transport system. I help to connect all those New Zealand families around the country.